Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me the square root of this.
Yes.
Where were you, Naman?
So there was some issues.
Okay, find the square root of this 1764 and tell me, is it a perfect square? Do you understand what is the meaning of perfect square? Is it a perfect square? Nimisha, how you are going to find the square root of this?
Sir, by factorization.
Okay, right. Mr. Naman, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Then your video?
There is some issue, sir.
What, network issue?
Yes, sir, I think so.
Or you are eating something and you want to hide it
No,
from
sir,
us?
I'm not eating something.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, tell me 1764 is equal to what into what into what into what? All the factors.
Sir, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7.
Means what is the square root of it?
42.
40?
2.
Okay, 42. Now if you multiply 42 with 42, we should get what?
1764.
Samarth, any confusion in this? You will have to unmute yourself. You're not audible. Samarth, am I audible? Because I can't hear you. Naman, what's your answer?
Sir, same, sir.
42. Now, is it a perfect square?
Yes, sir, because all the pairs are grouped, sir. And
Okay,
no
means
number
all
is
the factors should be in pairs, isn't it? That means it
Yes.
should be a perfect square for that. Okay. Now I'm clearing this page. Next question.
Yes, sir.
By what least number should 3675 be multiplied? Be multiplied to get a perfect square. To get a perfect square. Naman, try to switch off your video and switch on 2-3 times. Then it will be okay, I think. Because we also do the same thing. Okay, is the question clear? Yes, now your video is available, but again it has gone. Yes, now your video is available. Question is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I don't know how to find how to get the answer, sir.
Okay, Nimisha, Samarth, any idea how to get it?
So
By
no,
what least number should 5 be multiplied to get a perfect square? By which number you should multiply 5, for example, to get a perfect square? Now, can you not say the table of 5?
Yes, sir.
Now, 5 5 is
20.
25. Is 25
Yes.
not a perfect square? So we have to
Yes.
multiply
Yes.
this 5 with what? With 5 only. In the same way, you have to do this 3 6 7 5. Can you try now?
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Nimisha, how you are going to do this?
So I'm multiplying it by 2, 3 and checking that if the pair
No,
is
you
coming or
have to
not.
do the prime factorization method.
That only, sir, I'm doing.
Okay. First, find the factors and see which one is not in a pair. Understood?
Done, sir.
What's your answer?
3.
3.
Yes.
Okay. Naman, Samarth, have you done?
No, sir.
3 6 7 5 is equal to what are the factors, Nimisha?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What are the factors? 3 6 7 5.
Sir, 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 I've got when I multiplied 3 to it.
You have got all these in pairs only. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7.
Sir, when I multiplied
prime-
3, 6, 7, 5 into 3.
Have you done prime factorization method? Have you found all the factors for 3 6 7 5 by prime
Yes, sir.
factorization? Then what factors you have got, that I am asking.
Okay, so 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7.
Okay, means 1 3 is missing, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so you will have to multiply it by 3. So this is the answer, isn't it? Understood, Naman, Samarth?
Yes, sir.
whatever number is not in a pair, we have to add one number to it. Okay.
Yes.
Take a screenshot. I am clearing this. Okay, by what least number should this be divided to get a perfect square? If there is no multiplied word, if I am writing here what it should be divided. Okay. By what least number should this be divided to get a perfect square? Then just apply the logic. No idea?
Trying. Done, sir.
So what is your answer, Namisha?
3.
Naman?
Not
Samar?
getting it.
See, 3675 equal to what? 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. So this is the number you have been given. But we want the factors to be in pairs. We don't want this number. We will have to divide this by 3. If we divide this by 3, then 3 will get cancelled. Now the all numbers in pair only. Then 5 into 5 into this is 7, sorry. 7 into 7. Now we are getting the numbers in pair.
Yes, sir.
Understood the logic? So first you have to find the factors by applying prime factorization method. Okay. Now whatever factor is not in pair, the same number will be multiplied and it can also be divided also, isn't it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please remember this statement. A number ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, okay, will never be a perfect square. Understood?
Yes.
If a number is having in the end, in the ones place, 2, 3, 7 or 8, then that means it is not a perfect square. You can be given a large number having about say hundreds of digits, but if the last digit, if you are saying if it is either of these all 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it will not be a perfect square. Understood?
Yes.
A number ending with odd number of zeros, okay, will also be not a perfect square. Will be never a perfect square, because we know that 100 is a 100, we can find the square root of it as 10, but if we are given 1000, we can't find the square root of it, isn't it? Perfect square root of it. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sum of first n odd natural number is equal to n square. Note all these 3 points. If a number is having 2, 3, 7 or 8 in the last, that is ones place, it will not be a perfect square. If a number is ending with odd number of zeros, it will not be a perfect square. And the sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n square. What does that mean, Nimisha? Sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n square means?
Don't know, sir.
Naman?
No, sir.
Ramar? Not audible? Have you understood the meaning of this, Samar? Sum of first n odd natural numbers. What does that mean? If I am taking numbers as 1, 3, 5 like that, okay? And suppose I am taking here 7, okay? Now I want to have the sum of all these numbers. What will the sum be of all these 4 numbers? Can you sum them up, these 4 numbers at least?
16.
16, okay? Now how many numbers are there? 4, isn't it? So 4
16.
square is equal to also 16. Here n is what? Here n is equal to 4. 16. Understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
So we are writing sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. Now if I am writing like we have written 1, 3, 5, 7. If I am writing here 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are all odd numbers, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what will the sum of these 5 numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9? Sum of it. Till 7 we had
25.
16. 16 plus 9 is 28. Sorry, 25.
So then the nth odd number we will get is 5 squares. Sir.
So n is equal to what here?
So 9, n is equal to 9 or 5 square.
9 or 5. Nimisha, what is n here?
5, sir.
5. N is the number of numbers we are taking. Here 5 numbers are being taken. Here 4 numbers we are taken. In the same way, you can be asked the sum of first 100 odd natural numbers. Then you have to apply this formula only, isn't it? Otherwise, it is too difficult to find out. Understood? Take a screenshot of this. I am clearing this page now.
Okay, sir.
Pythagorean triplet. Have you heard of this? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
Pythagorean triplet. Like M, N, P. They are said to be Pythagorean triplet if m square plus n square is equal to p square. Like in Pythagoras theorem, we have seen, na? Hypotenuse square
Yes.
is equal to this square plus this square, isn't it? Is equal to hypotenuse. In the same way, here p square will be equal to square sum of the squares of other 2 numbers. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, is 8, 15 and 17 a Pythagorean triplet? Is this Pythagorean triplet? How to
No,
find
sir.
out? Why? Why no? Naman?
So because the sum we can take 8 as m square and 15 as n square. So then
See here, 8 is what? M, 15 is what? N, and 17 is what? P. Isn't it? Now we have to check what? Is m square plus n square equal to p square? Isn't it?
yes.
So check it once and tell me what's your answer.
No, sir, it is not equal.
Nimisha checked.
Yes, sir.
Is it equal?
No, sir.
Okay. M square means 8 square plus
Yes,
N square means 15 square and P square means 17 square. Okay. 8 8 is 64 and 15
yes.
15 is
225. 200.
225. Should be equal to how much? 17 17 is
1.
17 17 is 289 na?
Yes.
Now let us add 64 to 225. How much it will be? 289 only, and here also we are getting 289. So how you are telling that they are not equal?
So I did a silly mistake.
Nimisha, you also did the same mistake. What
So
Naman has done?
wait.
What 15 square is not 225?
So mine is correct.
You've done it correctly, Samar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Check,
Nimisha, what's
sir.
your doubt?
Sir, I have taken 8 as 18.
You have taken 8 as 18 and thinking that
Yes.
your answer is right, isn't it? How can it be? So be cautious. Take a screenshot. I will be clearing this page.
Taken, sir.
Okay, now check if 10, 24 and 26 are they making a Pythagorean triplet?
Checked, sir.
Huh?
Checked.
Is it Pythagorean triplet?
Yes, sir.
Naman, Samar,
Sir, doing.
Yes, sir, they are equal.
okay. Samar, you are still doing?
Yes,
Done. Done.
sir, they are equal.
Okay, next question or next note, one property, okay, important one. For every natural number, for every natural number m greater than 1, we have 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 as Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now, with an example, I will be showing you. Find the Pythagorean triplet whose smallest member is 12. Okay. Smallest member is 12 means first will be 12. That means 2m will be 12. And then m square minus 1. And then m square plus 1. Isn't it? Nimisha, is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if 2m is equal to 12, then what will the value of m?
6.
M equal to 6. So, by finding m equal to 6, we can find m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 also.
Yes.
So, first one is 12. What will the value of the second number of the triplet?
Sir, 35. 35.
35. M square is 6 is 36. 36 minus 1 is 35. Good. And m square plus 1?
37.
37. Okay. So, these type of questions also can be done by you, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Take a screenshot.
Taken.
Okay. Now, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Is this formula known to you all?
Yes, sir.
If not, then note it down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, suppose you are given some question. Let me check. 38 square minus 37 square. Okay. Then how to do such question? Tell me the value of this.
38. 38 plus 37 equal to square.
$75.
75.
Same, sir.
A plus B is equal to 75.
Naman,
Yes,
same answer.
yes,
Okay. Now you also know that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Are you aware of this formula, Nimisha, Naman, Samar?
No.
If no is your answer, then please write it down, okay, and remember it. So you have to use this formula to calculate 310 whole square. Nimisha, understood?
Yes.
So tell me how to do it on the board itself. Using the same formula, you have to calculate 310 whole square. Miss Nimisha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me on the board itself. I will do it for you. Just tell me what to do.
So here A or B is not given, so we can write 309 plus 1 square.
Okay, Naman. Same thing you are going to apply, same logic.
so I don't know this one. Yes.
Samarth.
Sir, I think A, ma'am, B, so B is not given, so we will use the form A is equal to square.
Can we write like this? 300 plus 10 square.
Yes.
So why we are writing in this way?
Yeah.
Because it is the easiest way to do. Because we can square 300, we can square 10, isn't it? So it will make our solution simpler, isn't it? Now we can write here A square plus B square plus 2AB means 2 into 300 into 10. So we can write it here 3 3 is 9 and 4. 10 square means 100 plus 3 2s are 6 and 3 zeros, isn't it? We have to just add them up. Is that not simple? 90,000 and 6,000 is 96,000. 96,100, isn't it?
Yes.
So you may be told somewhere that use this formula to calculate this. So you have to apply the logic, okay? Okay, now I am clearing this page. Take a screenshot quickly.
Taken.
Wait.
Taken.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now A minus B the whole square. What is the formula for this? Anyone aware of? A square minus 2AB plus B square. In the case of A plus B whole square, we are writing A square plus B square plus 2AB, means all are positive. And A minus B the whole square, we are taking this minus 2AB, means here the sign is changed. And A square and B square will be positive only, okay? Means similar terms are positive only, like A square and B square both are squares, they will be in positive and minus 2AB, okay? Remember this formula. So using this formula, you have to calculate 196 whole square. 196 whole square. So can you tell me, Naman, how to do it?
So,
Can you tell me how to do it, Naman?
so we 196
6 whole square.
plus 6 minus 6 AB.
Nimisha,
So 200 minus 4 square.
good. Here we can write 200 minus 4 whole square, okay? Now squaring both of them is too easy. So now we will write 200 whole square. This is A square. Here this is A and this is B, isn't it? So A square minus 2AB means minus 2 into A into B. Plus B square means 4 square, isn't it? Now 200 whole square is 2 2s are 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. Minus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and 2 zeros plus 16, isn't it? Now you can subtract this and add this. Tell me what will be the answer. 40,000 minus 1600 plus 16.
Three 8,416 3,008 30,804.
Is it the answer that you are getting?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take a screenshot. I will be clearing this.
Taken.
Taken, sir.
Now, if you have to calculate 69 into 71, how you are going to calculate it? By the best formula which can suit for this. Nimisha,
Don't know.
no idea. Naman, Tamar, no idea.
We can distribute proper.
No, your audio is not clear. 69 can be written as 70 minus 1 and 71 can be written as 70 plus 1. Now this is, if this is A and this is B, then here also this is A and this is B. So it is in the form A minus B into A plus B. And we know that A minus B into A plus B is the formula of what? A square minus B square. So we can write it as, what was A? 70 minus B means 1 square equal to 7 sevens are 49. 0 0 minus 1, which is equal to how much? 4,899.
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No,
No, sir.
Understood? Take a screenshot.
Taken, sir.
taken.
Okay, if I am writing 94 into 106, Naman, tell me how to do this one. 94 into 106. How to write this? Tell me on the board itself.
100 minus 6 into 100 plus 6, we can write this.
Okay, good.
A square.
If I am writing 78 into 82, Nimisha, what to write here?
So 80 minus 2 into
Hmm.
80 plus 2.
Good. 80 plus 2, okay. Okay, I'm clearing this page now. Now we will go to column method for squaring two-digit number. Column method for squaring a two-digit number. Okay. Now we will explain this with an example like 47. Okay. Square you want to do with the help of column method. So the digit at ones place is to be taken as B. Okay. And the digit at tens place is to be taken as A. So here A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 7, isn't it? Now we will draw rows and columns in this way. Okay. Now here draw one horizontal line. Again, one line here. There will be 3 columns in total. Okay. This is column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3. That's why it is called column method. Okay. Now this column 1 is what? This is A square. Column 2 is what? This is 2 into A into B. That is 2AB. And third one is B square. Okay. Now again draw a line like this. Now if we have taken A as 4, then what is the value of A square?
16.
So
16. Let us draw and write 16. 2AB. 2AB means 2 into A into B will be what? 2 into A into B.
56.
56. And B square is
49.
49. Okay. Now what to do? We have to underline this 9. Okay. Understood? Now 4 is left. This 4 will be added here. Okay. Now 56 plus 4 is how much?
So 60.
60.
60. Now again this 0 is to be underlined. Okay. And this 6 is to be brought on the left side. That is plus 6. Okay. Now 16 plus 6 is how much?
22.
So 22.
22. Okay. So here we have got 22. Here whatever has been underlined will be the result here. Here 9 was underlined, so 9 will be here. So the number is 2209, which is the square of 47. So if you are asked to do it by column method, you have to do like this, and also cross check it by normal method in your exam, okay? Because there can be silly mistakes in this. So please cross check it by normally squaring it, okay? And match the numbers. If it is matching, then it's okay. So now you have, I will be giving you, take a screenshot of this. Now, second question I am giving you to find the square of 86 by the same column method, okay? 86. Now do this by this column method and tell me if you are getting the right result.
Sir, I got 7396.
7396 by the same column method.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Means you have understood. Naman, Nimisha,
Same, so 7396.
by column method.
Yes, sir.
Naman, you are still doing?
No, sir.
Done.
Same, sir.
Same. Okay, good. So take a screenshot. I will be clearing this page now.
Taken.
And you have to practice such questions, okay? I will not be doing
Okay,
all.
sir.
I am just giving you an idea. I am clearing this page now. Second one is diagonal method. For squaring a number, okay? Now let us take a number as 39. We have to find the square of 39, okay? Now how to do it? Now again, we will draw one square divided equally, then again divided equally horizontally, okay? Vertically and horizontally. Here we are going to write 39. Here also we will be writing 39, okay? Now 3 into 3 is 9.
Yes.
So we have to write 9 in this box, but in a different manner. And we have to write in 2 digits. So 9 can be written as 09. So here we will write 0 and here we are going to write 9. Understood?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
3 into 9 is how much? 27. So here we'll write 2 and here we'll write 7. Understood? In the same way, here it is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. So 2 here and 7 here. Then 9 nines are 81, 8 here, 1 here. Understood? Now we will draw diagonal here. Okay, diagonally this will be coming like this, and then diagonally this will be coming like this. Okay. Understood this much?
Yes.
Now we have to add diagonally, like here in the and we have to start from the lowest and rightmost part. So here it will be 1 because there is no other number in this diagonal. Now in this upper part 7, 8, 7 are there. So when they are added together, 7 plus 8 plus 7 is how much? 7 plus 8 plus 7.
22.
In this figure 22. So 22 is there. So here we'll write 22 and underline this 2. Okay. And we also took the second, that is tens place digit was taken in that column method also. In the same way, in this diagonal method also, this 2 will be taken for the next calculation. So here, if we calculate 2 plus 9 plus 2, how much it is? 13.
Yes.
13.
So 13, and what is to be added here? Plus 2. Which one was left from there, isn't it? 13 plus 2 is 15. Now again 5 will be underlined. Yes, and 5 will be underlined again. And then 1 is taken for the next calculation. Here it is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 only. So 1, and this is underlined. So whatever, and this one is also underlined one in the sense. So what will be the answer for this? Tell me.
So 1.
So 1521.
1521. Good. And you have to also cross check it if you are having sufficient time in the exam. Okay. So 1521 will be the answer. Is this understood, this method, diagonal method and column method?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then there are a lot of questions based on this in your book. Okay. Try all of them. If there is any doubt, then we will discuss tomorrow and the next in the tomorrow's class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's all for today.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you
Bye,
so
sir.
much.
Okay. Welcome. Bye bye.